Well, welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today, we're working on this. This is my next door neighbor. She's a professional hairdresser, and she also does dog grooming as well. So this is some kind of professional hair cutter, and she's telling me that it doesn't work. It just kind of, it feels like it wants to go, but it stops, starts, stops, starts. So she wants me to take a look at it. And I'm going to take a look at this. Now, what's the brand name of this? ANDIS. So I'm not too sure if this is for cutting dogs or cutting women's hair. I'm not too sure whether you can use it for both, maybe just one. I'm not too sure. But I got a friend there, Annie from Kentucky. She's going to leave a link. She's going to leave a comment down below. And we're going to find out, is this universal for cutting women's hair and dogs at the same time? So let's get to it. Let's diagnose and see what's wrong with this right now. Okay, so what is the first thing I usually do when I'm trying to diagnose what's going on with one of these? Now she suspects it's the cord, and it just may well be. But I like to use one of these, which is the non-contact voltage checker. So I've got it plugged in now. And it will go, like, sometimes it will go, sometimes you just hear this. Well, you're not hearing nothing now, are you? There, I got her going there. And then sometimes nothing. So let's just try the contact tester here. And I'll point it towards you so you could see. And it's going along fine. And let's just keep it going. Now I want to show you something here. Seems to be looking right all the way along. And then when I get to here, seems to be this spot in the cord. I'll try to get you all in the shot here. Can you hear that? It shows voltage all the way. And I got to this one spot here. Depends on how I bend it. So I don't know how many bends are in this thing and where it's good and where it's not. But here's a spot right here. See that? Nothing there. Guys, I don't know how this is going to turn out, but I'm thinking this cord's got to be changed. All you do is watch me use this beeper to go along. But I'm thinking there's a lot of problems in this cord. See, here's another spot. Nothing here. Okay, let's tear this apart. Let's take a look. You've been watching this thing beep too much right now. I think it's the cord. Let's tear into it. Let's find out. Well, before I dig into this too deep, I was just testing the cord along and bending it back and forth, and now it's running. But then I did this. So has this got more than one fault somewhere? I'm saying it's right at that tension spot right there. We're going to have to open this baby up and see what's inside. Okay, I've got this thing opened up here. It's not plugged in right now. But if you guys take a look and see, these are the two connectors. And you know, they're solid on there. There's nothing in there. But when you go like this, it seems to cut in and out. And these wires are on there pretty good. But I don't even know if you can run this thing. It seems like it's pretty good in there. I really can't see what's... The only thing is between here and here. So I'm thinking she's going to need a whole new cord, because further down you could see it wasn't going on half the time or not. So I'm going to have to just get a new cord for this, and we'll see where we go from there. Okay, so this is the resolve. I found two faults with this. One, halfway up the cord, you could tell that it was, you know, half connected, you know, and then when you get to this end here, yeah, this was causing it to go off and on as well. If I bent the cord just the right way, I could get it to run. So you know what? She needs this to cut some more dogs or some women's hair. I'm not too sure what she's doing with this. And as soon as she orders a new cord, I'll put it on. So that's pretty well it for today. And you know what? You never really learned too much today, except you can get one of these non-contact electrical tester. And this is the one that I use here. I mean, there's lots of them out there. This one here is branded Milwaukee. I like this one the best. And this will show you if there is a disconnection on the cord around. Now, it wasn't completely broke, because when I did put it on the bench here, I stretched it out and I can move it back and forth, and I'd get a signal, no signal, signal, no signal. So, you know what? Needs a new cord. So thanks for joining me here today. Come back again. If you haven't seen this channel, well, you're welcome to subscribe. And hopefully I'll show you me installing the cord in the future. Cheers.